Good morning, Pensacola. I'm Chris Jadala reporting with Pensacola Port Paper. I'm standing outside of Premier Pet Grooming, a local business right here in Pensacola, and they seem to be doing fine despite our troubled economy and being a small business. I'm here to find out what makes them so successful.
Don't worry, my friend. He's in good hands.
Premier Pet Grooming has been serving its community for over 20 years. However, owner and operator Carrie Sims has been grooming dogs her entire life. When experience counts, Premier Pet Grooming far exceeds par. Carrie's staff are sure never to fall short of this expectation in the shop. What keeps customers coming back is not only the relationship Carrie builds with the customers, but the dogs as well. For dog owners know, when they leave their dog with Carrie, she will treat it as one of her own. Be sure to stop by Premier Pet Grooming to get this one-of-a-kind quality service at an affordable price. I'm Chris Jadala, reporting with Pensacola Port Paper, giving you local news now.